Quarantine had made me prisoner of my own home, so I dared to step out with my closest group of friends who lived close by. With our face mask on, but with our boredom off, and with our full on enjoyment. Mother Nature is miraculous. She has cure for every imbalance because everything originates from her and everything belongs to her, and we are her beautiful part, her dearest children's. Best thing about our Nepali streets is that we can encounter gods and goddesses at our every other step, and our cultures, our traditions are really a true blessing from them. Encountering those beautiful mud houses, I realized that our modern city would not be that ugly if we used traditional architectures to build our houses in modern way. After nearly 1.5 hours of trek, which was not a long distance, but very long and tiresome to our pair of limbs, which were no longer strong due to so-called blessings of two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Finally, we reached our destination, which was Suspension Bridge, located at the height, which gave us beautiful goosebumps and feeling of adventure. This beautiful suspension bridge is located at Lalitpur district in Champi village. Though this bridge was our predetermined destination, we decided to move even more further. Trying to capture every those beautiful moments because moments don't last long, but memories do.
सम्झना बाँकी छ हाम्रा ती पलको सँगै नहोला हामी तर साथ सधैँभरको सम्झना.
Life is beautiful, and it is even more beautiful when you learn to feel the beauty in every other life you come in contact with. Wherever I go, dog lover in me would always come out to greet and love those beautiful creatures. And one thing, we can learn social distancing from them as well. Short trip but countless experience. With those who are very close to your heart, you don't need to go any far with them to have wonderful experience. After all this, now it was time to return back home, though feeling very tired but with more energy to leave.